In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to create epic thumbnails with just your smartphone. So without any further ado, let's get started.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Now the name of the app is Canva. It is available for Android, iOS and also for desktop. Link for the app will be in the comments below. Now there are two versions of this app, a free version and a paid version. I'm going to show you how to create thumbnails with the free version. Also, in this video, I'm going to be creating the thumbnail for this video so that you know how I create my thumbnails. Now when you open Canva, this is what you will get to see. Now to create your thumbnails, tap on the plus button and on the search bar at the top, type YouTube thumbnail. So as you can see, there's YouTube thumbnail, well 80 into 720 pixels. Tap on that and you will see your canvas where you are going to create your thumbnails. Now I'll give you guys a quick introduction of the interface. Now this white part you see, this is where you are going to create your entire thumbnail. Now this option on the top, that helps you to download your thumbnail. And if you want to save your design and want to access it later, don't worry, Canva auto-saves your thumbnail. So just press the back button and your thumbnail will automatically be saved. Now this plus button, this is where you can access all your tools like background, text and a lot more. Now let's start creating our thumbnail. Now the first thing we must do is we need to add a background, and to do that we should tap on the plus button and then go to background. Now here there are a lot of background options. You can use whichever you like. But if you have a photo which you want to use as your background, then you can upload that photo into Canva. And how to do that is tap on the plus button, go to upload and then tap on upload media. Then select the photo you want to use as your background. Now this is where all your uploaded photos will be stored. Tap on that particular photo and that photo will be uploaded into your canvas. Now to move your background, hold it and drag it wherever you want, and to resize your background, hold the corners of it and resize it however you want. Now my background is ready. Next what I need to add is text, and to do that, tap on the plus button and go to text. Now here you can either use these pre-made templates or you can use this default text and edit it completely. I personally like this template, so I'm just going to tap it and bring it into my canvas. Now our template has been added into our canvas. Now we are going to type the text we want. So I'm going to write create epic thumbnails with your phone. So I've typed the text I want. Now I'll just move it to the top by holding and dragging it. Now if you want to change the font, you can tap on the font option and choose any style you like. There are a lot of styles, but I'm fine with the default font style, so I'm just going to leave it like that. Now to change the font size, tap on the font size option and change the size by moving this slider. If you want to change the color of your text, you can do that in the color option. Now as you can see, my text is in bold and italics. Now that doesn't look nice to me, so I'm going to change that. And how to do that is go to format, and as you can see, the bold and italics both are turned on. So I'm just going to turn off those two. So my background and text both are done. Next what I plan to do was to add the photos of the thumbnails from my previous video. So I've already uploaded them into Canva. I'll just bring all of them into my canvas. So I have resized and aligned the photos the way I want. Now to make the thumbnail more attractive, what I'm going to do is add a white border to these photos. And to do that, tap on the plus button and then go to elements and type square. And as you can see, I have a square outline, exactly what I need. I'll just tap it and bring it into my canvas. So now I got a border. I'll just change the color to white. So now I have a white border. All I have to do is align it so that it perfectly matches with the photos. Alright, so the white border has been perfectly placed on the first photo. Now I have to repeat the same thing to the other photos here. And to do that, I'm going to tap on the white border and then press on duplicate. So now as you can see, I have two borders. Now I'll take the second outline and align it with the second photo. Then again tap on duplicate and I'll take the third outline and align it with the third photo. Again duplicate the border and align it with the fourth photo. So now as you can see, the thumbnail looks much more attractive. Now almost 70% of our thumbnail is done. Next, we are going to mention Canva in the thumbnail. So we'll tap on the plus button and then go to text and then tap on add a heading. Now I'm going to type download this and I'll change this text a little bit. I'm going to change the font, and for font size, I'll keep it at 43. So my text is done. Next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to add some arrows, and to do that, I'll tap on the plus button, go to elements and search for some arrows. So I chose these arrows and I've aligned them the way I want. I'll just change the color of these. Next, I'm going to show the Canva app logo. So I've already uploaded into Canva. I'll just go and select that. So I have resized and aligned the logo, but still the thumbnail isn't completely done. What I'm going to do next is I'm going to blur out the app logo, because that will increase the curiosity level of the viewer. Now how to blur it out is tap on the photo and then go to adjust. Here you can see there are a lot of options, like if you want to increase or decrease the brightness, the contrast, the saturation, and a lot more stuff like this. Now here is the blur option. I'll just keep the value at 100 so that it's completely blurred out. So now my photo is completely blurred out, but still the thumbnail doesn't look perfect. So to make it even better, I'll go into elements and search for a question mark. I'll take this one and I'll change the color to black and align it perfectly with the app logo. Now the thumbnail looks perfect. So that was my tutorial of how to create an epic thumbnail with just your smartphone. Now there is one thing which I totally forgot to mention, is that there is an undo/redo button. Now it's not like you should make thumbnails the exact same way I do. You can use your imagination and creativity and make much OP thumbnails than mine. If you are super creative, then your thumbnail will be
Nice.
Even if you didn't understand the video, try out the app for yourself and you will get the hang of it. Just remember the key points. And by saying that, thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to hit that like button. Also hit that subscribe button and the bell icon. Remember guys, we have to hit 150 subscribers by August 20. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button. But until then, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.